Time now to bring in meteorologist Louisa Hodge, who has a look at our forecast. Louisa?
Yeah, you never want to compete with a plane there. The plane always wins,
right?
right?
Plane's always going to win.
Yeah, exactly. Well, we're kind of getting ready for some seesaw weather. So we'll see a bit of a warming trend over the next couple of days, and then we start cooling it off, bringing a chance of showers. So very different picture from the start of your work week to the finish of your work week. We do have a high pressure system in place right now that's contributing to these warm conditions up to the north of us. We have an upper level trough that's expected to kind of push off to the east, and we're going to continue to see this warming trend. Hazing sunshine expected for today. The warming trend expected to peak right around Wednesday. In fact, we could be talking about 90s for some of the valley locations on Wednesday. It's just going to be beautiful along the coast. Showers expected as we head into the late weekdays. So we're talking about Thursday, Friday could bring in some showers and continuing into next weekend as well. Right now we're warming up really nicely. 77 degrees at USC. That is well above average. 80 degrees for Van Nuys, about 68 degrees at LAX right now. And you can see a pair of 77s for Ontario and into San Bernardino. We're also seeing that onshore flow. So winds getting up to about 10 miles an hour for San Bernardino, for Burbank, 11 miles an hour in downtown Los Angeles. But this is all going to change. We're going to notice these winds start to pick up into the evening hours. So you can see especially through the high desert communities in through Santa Clarita as we head into the overnight hours. And then we're going to see a bit of a shift in the winds, more of an offshore flow. Then we have that combined with the warm temperatures. So certainly a concern for those fire conditions, especially by about midweek. But right now we have this weak upper trough kind of pushing off to the east. The high pressure system really going to start to strengthen and rebuild into the next couple of days. So this is what's going to contribute to seeing these warm temperatures. Then after that, we have a couple of back-to-back systems. The first one moving in from the southwest, pushing through, bringing us the potential of showers Thursday into Friday. Another one pushing in from the central Pacific. This one expected to bring us the potential of showers Saturday and Sunday. So you can really just expect overcast conditions, a little bit dreary out there. We'll see hit or miss showers continuing for a good long stretch there. For tomorrow, temperatures expected to climb a little bit more than today. 73 degrees expected in Santa Monica tomorrow. Upper 80s, just flirting with 90 degrees through Northridge, also into San Fernando. 87 degrees in Santa Clarita and about 82 for Norwalk. Temperatures will stay into the upper 70s from Anaheim down into Irvine, Lake Forest. 68 degrees expected for Huntington Beach. And then check out these temperatures. We're really closing in on that 90-degree mark. 89 degrees expected for San Bernardino, for Riverside. 96 degrees if you're heading to Palm Springs for tomorrow. Here's a look at your extended forecast. You can see that good long stretch there of sunny days, warm days ahead of us really for the first half of the week. The second half of the week looks very different. Much different picture. We go from the 80s and 90s down into the 60s and 70s by Thursday. More cloud cover, overcast conditions, and showery conditions too, really stretching through the end of the work week and into the weekend. We're also going to notice those winds really start to pick up by midweek. So places like the Inland Empire could see extremely gusty winds. And look at that high for Wednesday, 95 degrees. So you're going to feel that warming trend really kick into gear by Tuesday and Wednesday. And then just when you start to get used to it, that's when things cool off. That's when the rain settles in and continues through next weekend.